Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display. Following that, click on Display Size and Text. And last but not least, operate this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out preview above. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!